Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, the underscore character underscore has multiple uses and meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Here are some common uses of the underscore in Python. 1. Ignoring values. In Python, you can use an underscore as a placeholder when you want to ignore a specific value. This is often seen in unpacking sequences or when you are not interested in a particular element of a tuple or list. 2. Variable naming convention. The underscore character is commonly used in variable names to separate words in a multi-word variable name, snake underscore case. 3. Private variables and methods. In Python, a single leading underscore is used to indicate that a variable or method is intended for internal use and should not be accessed from outside the class or module. However, this is just a convention and does not enforce privacy. 4. Unused loop variable. When iterating through a sequence and not requiring the loop variable, the underscore can be used as a convention to indicate that the variable is not being used. 5. Internationalization. In internationalization, the convention is to use the underscore as a separator in locale names. Overall, the underscore character underscore is a versatile tool in Python with various use cases depending on the context in which it is used.